Let's see how to get rid or disable the screen time option on your iPhone. So screen time is a feature on iPhones that helps users manage and monitor their device usage. It also includes features like Downtime, which restricts access to certain apps during scheduled periods, and app limits, which help users control their app usage. But if you don't need it or you are annoyed by the feature, you can easily turn it off by opening the settings on the iPhone and you'll see the screen time option with this purple icon. Open it and you'll get to the screen time page where you'll see a bunch of different options. Scroll all the way down and click on the Turn Off Screen Time option, and if you have a password set up, it's going to ask you to enter it. So just enter your screen time password and confirm your decision. Now screen time will be turned off on your iPhone and you will be able to use it without any app restrictions and all that other stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.